Proverbs tells us, the one who refreshes others will himself be refreshed. And yet so many faithful families are running on empty. I've watched pastors' families, missionaries, caregivers, quietly carrying burnout, grief, and spiritual exhaustion, while continuing to pour themselves out for others. Some of the most faithful among us rarely have the time or money to step away and simply enjoy their own families. Restoration Ridge was born from prayer around this conviction. The Lord, in His wisdom, ordained rest, not indulgence, but trust. This will be a non-profit vacation village for up to 45 people in these mountains, a place where families come completely free of charge to be restored in body, in soul, in spirit. Here, rest is not achieved, it is received. I am Jill Ragg, founder of Restoration Ridge. 4 years ago, the Lord placed this vision on my heart to create a permanent refuge for families who faithfully serve others. For 4 years, we have prayed, planned, and stewarded ideas and resources in faith. What began as our obedience is now becoming a real place. The land, used already as a retreat center, is ready. The plans are in motion. The structure is sustainable. When completed, Restoration Ridge will welcome hundreds of families each year with intentional space for renewal. Cabins, treehouse stays, gathering spaces, quiet mornings, and shared meals. A village built for restoration. To fully renovate and establish this refuge, we are seeking $3 million. This investment will complete the village and secure its future, so families can come, not just once, but for generations. Because of this place, weary parents will breathe again, marriages will steady, life-changing decisions will be made, and faith will be strengthened. Families will return home, not depleted from constant activity, but renewed in the strength the Lord provides. If you believe rest is part of faithful trust, and if you feel called to refresh those who refresh others, I invite you to help us build Restoration Ridge. Together we can establish a place where God restores what life has worn thin.